Hi, this is Sheila, and I'm updating for my 8th week post-op for my right shoulder uh, tendon repair, my rotator cuff tendon repair. So I have been out of the sling for the last 2 weeks, and it's just started to be comfortable without it. The first few days, especially the first week, was really, um, still kind of hard. It was still um, getting tired right away, and it feels like it's pulling down, especially here. I will have like aching, stabbing pain, around. And the doctor told me that I will have pain that rotates everywhere, and stuff like that. Especially now that they added some strengthening exercises. Not much, but just very basic strengthening. It's just a, um, a band, a resistance band. So this is the resistance band. So, I've been doing like strengthening. I put this like on a doorknob or a railing, and then I pull it. I do like several sets going, rolling like this, and then rolling down, and then doing this to the side. And then I have like a 1 pound dumbbell that, I do it sideways while laying down, and I go like this. My what do you call this? My uh, range that goes like this has been better. It's still very tight. Like, like I can't wait to feel like normal. I could raise my arm. Let me see, show you. I could raise my arm like up to here without any help. Let me see if I can go further. Yes, I can. A little bit, but see, I'm kind of like compensating around here already. But this is most comfy. But with a pulley, I could let it go up like that, like really high, like that. But I can hold it there. But it's still kind of, I'm just on my 8th week, and I still can't lift anything that's really heavy. I could have like a mug with coffee. I can do this. I could do some cutting of vegetables and stuff like that and meat. I could stare a little bit, when I'm cooking. I can get like plates and cup, move it around and things like that. I have more movement than so I've been moving around the kitchen. Not much, just the basic. If I have to get anything up, I still ask my daughter to do it because I can't have anything overhead still. And this left shoulder, like what I've said before, is really getting sore, very sore. Right now that I have more movement here, I've been kind of giving this a rest, and I'm able to like reach across and do a little bit of massaging. Although I feel that pull here when I do this, that's the kind of motion, going over here. I think I am allowed to do that because it's below. I mean, to my comfort, I won't post, but if I do that, then I could do a little bit more massage like that to give it, and that kind of helps. And I will take ibuprofen, like once in the morning and then once at night before I go to bed. But in between, usually the ice helps. In between job, I returned to work already. And the first day I was like zooming through my work, like nothing happened. I did my productivity like I didn't have any vacation. But the following day I was so slow because I was so tired. And all I do really, because I mostly just read charts from the computer. So I have my keyboard that I work on, of course, and of course the mouse. And that's all, that motion there, I don't want to show it to you, but the regular keyboard typing and then moving the mouse and all that feels right here on the tip, So I'm still doing twice a week of therapy. I have to move to a different therapist that works a later date because I'm at work, so I cannot do the morning routines anymore because I don't want to go through the hustle of asking permission and then making up my hours. I just do them after work. Uh, they're gonna do isometric exercises this week. For me, they're gonna start it was 8 week. This is my 8th week. So she's gonna give me isometric exercises, um, which she gave me a little bit of taste last time, but she said don't do it at home yet. See how you feel. I really feel good. I felt really good the day after. So you're gonna be sore. I didn't have any sore feeling or anything like that. But then a day after that, I went back to work, and after that one day of work, that's when I feel, you know, something a little increased pain. But from the isometric exercises that she let me do in the gym, I didn't get sore. I actually felt good, that I could like tense my muscle up and stuff like that. Um, However, the moving of this kind of motion for the keyboard and the mouse, that kind of made me sore, which is like 2 days after the isometric exercises. I've been doing my stretches, the same stretching um, exercises that I have been doing. I've been doing it every day, several times during the day, in between the work. At 2 hours mark, I have my timer, and I will go up, do my shoulder rolls and my little, and all that. My pulley, I've been doing the pulley, and the wall climbing has been really very good. So, I can do that much, can do that much. But see, you can see me, I'm compensating here. I'm like this, how straight that is. But here, I'm still kind of, look at that. I still don't have, but I can raise it. Hey, I can raise it. I could wash my face if I put my face down a little bit, then I don't have, brush my teeth with my right hand. Because before it was hard, even just the motion on the fingers, like opening a bottle cap or anything like that, like the toothpaste cover, the lid, it kind of sends some sharp pain when I work with my fingers. But right now, I still can't like open up like a bottle the cap. I'll let my daughter do it because I feel like I'm putting pressure and a lot of force to do it, and it's still weak. I can still feel it. Can you imagine you opening a bottle cap and you could feel the pain? So it still have some healing to do. But so far it's really going the right direction. I hope really, I'm praying that this will be successful, and um, I can return to my norm. I'm just worried about this one because I heard this 6 weeks before my surgery, and because of the job that it's doing the whole time, it's really sore, and I think I overuse it, and it's painful. Sometimes, some days, it's more painful than this. So who knows? Whatever. Anyway, that is it. I will probably update more um, on my 3 months after my 3 months mark, because I go back to the doctor for that. And you all have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Thank you.